The current conditions at Lafayette. Mostly cloudy. 94 degrees with a heat index of 109 degrees. Winds north at 17 miles per hour, gusts to 22. Humidity is 58%. Dew point is 77 degrees. Ceiling is 2,500 feet. Visibility is 10 miles. Barometric pressure is 29.80 inches and falling. Latest observations for the following cities. Abbeville CCMEM partly cloudy. 92 degrees with winds north at 12 miles per hour. Jennings light rain. 94 degrees with winds north-northeast at 15 miles per hour. New Iberia partly cloudy. 90 degrees with winds north-northwest at 7 miles per hour. New Roads partly cloudy. 88 degrees with winds north-northwest at 9 miles per hour. Opelousas mostly cloudy. 91 degrees with winds north-northeast at 10 miles per hour. Patterson Memora mostly cloudy. 93 degrees with winds north-northeast at 12 miles per hour. Salt Point mostly cloudy. 84 degrees with calm winds. Regional forecast for Thursday night for the following cities. Austin slight chance T-storms, then mostly clear with a low of 76. Houston chance T-storms with a low of 76. Jackson chance T-storms, then chance showers with a low of 75. Mobile T-storms likely with a low of 78. Alexandria chance showers with a low of 76. New Orleans T-storms likely and breezy with a low of 79. Regional forecast for Friday for the following cities. Jackson T-storms likely with a high of 92. Mobile heavy rain and breezy with a high of 87. Alexandria chance showers with a high of 92. New Orleans showers and breezy with a high of 87. Austin sunny with a high of 95. Houston slight chance T-storms with a high of 98. Regional observations for the following cities. Houston partly cloudy 96. Austin few clouds 96. Jackson fair 93. Alexandria partly cloudy 92. New Orleans mostly cloudy / breezy 90. Mobile mostly cloudy 91. Flash flood watch in effect from Friday morning through Saturday evening, rest of today. Showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid 90s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Heat index readings 105 to 110. Tonight. Mostly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday night. Breezy. Cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts up to 55 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night. Windy. Showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of precipitation 70%. Air quality forecast for Friday. Lafayette, good with an air quality index of 36. Extended forecast. Thursday showers likely. With a high of 94 and a low of 76. Friday showers likely. With a high of 91 and a low of 77. Saturday tropical storm. With a high of 84 and a low of 74. Extended forecast. Sunday showers likely. With a high of 86 and a low of 75. Monday T-storms. With a high of 89 and a low of 76. Tuesday T-storms. with a high of 92 and a low of 76. Sunrise for Thursday is at 6:15 a.m. Sunset is at 8:13 p.m. Sunrise for Friday is at 6:16 a.m. Sunset is at 8:13 p.m. Full moon is on July 16th. Last quarter is on July 24th. New moon is on July 31st. First quarter is on August 7th. Week's bay tides. Low tides at Thursday at 10:22 p.m. and Friday at 11:02 p.m. High tides at Friday at 12:51 p.m. and Cybermord point tides. Low tides at Thursday at 9:23 p.m. and Friday at 10:10 p.m. High tides at Friday at 6:32 a.m. and sunrise for today is at 6:15 a.m. and sunset is at 8:13 p.m. Your 30-day outlook from mid-June to mid-July. Temperatures are expected to be above normal. Precipitation is expected to be normal. Your local radar. Heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. CDT this evening. Temperatures in the mid-90s combined with high humidity will produce heat index values of 105 to 110 this afternoon. Heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. CDT this evening. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a heat advisory, which is in effect until 8 p.m. CDT this evening. Temperature. Apparent temperatures of 105 to 110. Impacts. High heat index values will result in an increased risk of heat-related illnesses including heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Flash flooding possible as soon as Friday in Acadiana. Heavy rain associated with the approach of potential tropical cyclone 2 could begin to spread into parts of Acadiana during Friday. The heavy rainfall and flood threat could continue into Saturday along the possible track of the system. The timing and area of the watch may change over the next day or two as confidence increases in the track and intensity of the cyclone, and potential rainfall amounts. Flash flood watch now in effect from Friday morning through Saturday evening.